Hi guys, we're gonna see about datetime manipulation. Of course, there are a lot of manipulation that is available as a part of datetime, but being a good developer, right? At least good that at least you learn the basics of certain datetime manipulation, like how to get the datetime, how to add a time zone, how to add some, hours or minutes into it, how to change the format of the datetime. At least these are very vital part to play. Okay, to know the datetime related manipulation, there are two libraries. One is import time, another one is datetime. Okay, in these two library, I'm going to use the second one, a datetime model, which has slightest of advantage over the other library in terms of number of functions that it gives you. So look at that. From datetime, import datetime. What I'm basically doing is that from the datetime model, I'm trying to extract this specific function. Okay, with that function, I'm gonna get my current time. Look at that, datetime dot now. So I'm gonna print current time. So when I run, output is this: year, month, date, hour, minute, seconds, and microseconds. But here microsecond is not needed. So what I can do, modify time is equal to the above current time dot replace. What you're gonna replace? You're gonna replace the microsecond with output of 0. So now you can print this modified time to see the trimmed version of the above time. Look at the difference. Now it is coming with a microsecond and this is coming without a microsecond. Okay. Now what you can do, instead of you taking this largest step, you can make it in a simplest of way by adding the replace here itself. Replace dot microsecond is equal to 0. There you see. And the very essential part of this data manipulation is that you need to do the type check. Okay. Sometime what happen, you may in a position to add this current time as a part of any files. So in that case, you cannot add a file with the datetime if the file format is very different. Look at that. Now the time format is, that means type of this is datetime format.